Hello everyone and welcome to JavaScript lessons on Codecademy. So this is actually going to be the programming language that we're going to be doing on the channel for now until we finish the course on Codecademy. So as I promised, this it's going to be JavaScript. So let's actually get started straight away. Our first task is what's our name? Okay, so we need to tell the program what our name is. So how we need to do that is simply, as I've done here, write your name within quotation marks, I think that should be, like this, and then click Save and Submit Code. So if we do this, I guess it gets printed out to the console. So today's lesson is actually going to be pretty simple and pretty short because it's more of an introduction than anything else. So let's see what else we need to do. Very good. What would the length of your name be? So to discover the length of your name, write your name within quotation marks. Okay, let's do that again. Then write a period, full stop at the word length, like this. So full stop and length, I guess. When you're done, click Save and Submit Code. Do this from now on every time you finish your exercise. In my case, my name is length, it would be length.length. I don't think that his name would be length because I'm guessing that it's just L-E-N-G that he's using, but okay. So yeah, it's 5, I guess. So in JavaScript we don't use parentheses after functions like these, and if you want to print something you don't actually need to say print or output or something. Okay, that's different to both Java and Python, and also C++, and probably C and C#, definitely C#. I'm not sure about C. So, okay, I guess I'll have to learn to work with that. Let's move on. Basic math. Great job, now let's do some math. You can do math through programming. Add any two numbers like this. Okay, so let's do simple. 8 plus 15, that should be 23. Good, so it just straight away puts it onto our console screen. Okay, that's quite interesting. See what happened? You can use the command line to do basic math operations. Try playing around some more. You can use multiplication and division if you want. Enter another valid expression to pass this lesson. So let's actually see if it does BidMass or if it just follows an order. Let's see that. Well, actually I'll do divide by 2. And then minus, I don't know, 3. 7 submit code, 48, let's see. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 2 is 51. 51 minus 3 is 48. So it does follow BidMass. If it didn't, then it would be 49 plus 4, 53. Divided by 2 would give us 26 minus 3, 23, because it would round it down because it's integers, I think. That's just a guess, although we haven't defined if it's an integer or a float or a double or anything, so it might also just give us a decimal number. Okay, so I guess you can't really define the output, maybe. I'll have to deal with that as well. Okay, so let's see what our next task is. There are some things you can't do in the console. Computers only speak certain languages like the one you've been using today, JavaScript. If you use words that aren't in the JavaScript language, it will get confused and give you an error. So try to confuse the interpreter by using a word it doesn't know, like eggplant. It will give you a reference error. So what it's saying is if we just use a some kind of a word which it doesn't understand and it isn't in quotation marks. So let's do what it did. So eggplant or whatever it is in British, I don't even know right now. If we do that, it gives us an error. So well done, you have confused the computer. Whoa, we win. So computers actually aren't that smart. To make a computer smart, you actually have to program it. Otherwise, computers are the stupidest thing ever. And that's why people that are programmers exist and make a lot of money. So for now, this is going to be it, so stay tuned until the next lesson. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you like the video, dislike if you didn't like the video, and tell me what you didn't like about it. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask. So as I said before, until next time, thanks for watching and goodbye.